So to play old Minecraft Alpha, it's actually very simple. So the first thing you need to do is go to our Minecraft launcher, and you want to make sure you're signed in. Once you're signed in, you want to click on the settings on the left hand side menu, then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Java Edition settings. From here you want to select show historical versions of Minecraft Java, and once this is selected you want to go back to the Minecraft Java Edition tab. Once you're here you want to click on the installation tab just at the very top, and then you want to click on new installation. So once we've configured our installation by giving it a new logo and a new name, you want to select the version drop down menu and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you're going to find all of your old Minecraft Alpha versions. So in this case we are going to select the old Alpha 1.2.6 and then you want to click on create. Once you've created your profile it should be listed here under the installations tab, and to play it you just want to click on the play tab and then you want to select the version drop down menu and select the Alpha installation you just created. Once you're ready to play that version of Minecraft, you just want to click on play, then you want to click on I understand the risks and click on play. So when Minecraft loads, it should load with the version you just selected, in this case Alpha 1.2.6, and we can go ahead and start playing Minecraft just as we normally would. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.